Welcome to Dr. Khadar Lifestyle. Today I am going to show you the preparation of high protein pure vegan milk and curd. For this I have chosen peanuts. Take 100 grams of peanuts. Clean them with water. And discard the water. Again pour some structured water and soak them for 6 hours. After soaking, wash them. And discard the water. Rinse it couple of times so until the water is clear. Add the soaked peanuts into a blender and add 250 ml of structured water, then blend it well. Now peanuts are blended and you can see that the milk has released out. Take a bowl. Now pour the high protein milk into a cotton or khadi cloth. And then squeeze it. We can prepare 1 liter milk or half kg of curd from 100 grams of peanuts. Once the milk is removed, transfer the residue into the blender and blend it again by adding another 250 ml of water. And pour it into the cotton cloth and squeeze it. While extracting the milk, let us know the magical benefits of peanuts explained by Dr. Khadar sir. Peanuts are high in protein and rich in calcium. It contains immunity increasing factors. They have aromatic stabilizing chemicals. The outer pink layer of peanuts contains a chemical called resveratrol. It does wonders. It works as an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, anti-carcinogenic and anti-aging agent. You look younger and your skin glows if you eat the peanuts with outer layer. You can apply it as a face mask too. You can prepare kashayam with the outer layer of the peanuts. It will work as an excellent medicine for all skin diseases. Not only these benefits but also helps to nature as it grows in less rains and water conditions. Now the vegan peanut milk is ready without any residues. You can drink it by adding half liter water to it. For curd, this milk can be boiled just the same way we boil normal milk. To prepare curd, transfer it into a vessel and bring it to boil. Once it starts boils, the milk will become thicken slightly and it is also very creamy. For preparing curd, transfer it into a bowl and allow it to cool down. To set the curd, I am using green chilli stalks and green chillies by slitting it. Green chilies are rich in various lactic acid bacteria. These natural bacteria creates a starter for the lactofermentation of milk. Instead of green chilies, you can add fermented dosa or idli batter too. Now cover it with a lid. After 10 hours, remove the chilies. You can see how thick and creamy the curd is. You can prepare buttermilk or raita with it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Khadar Lifestyle. Press the below bell icon to get notifications.